have a problem, guys. Like, I think it's normal to not like folding laundry, but I really hate folding laundry, and nobody else in the house will do it besides me. So I figured we'd chat a little bit while I'm starting to fold these clothes. To make this a little bit more manageable, I'm going to use the system that I started some years ago, and it was to separate the clothes by person and then just fold all that person's clothes and put it away. That way it doesn't feel like you have all this stuff and you haven't accomplished anything. At least that person's clothes is folded and put away. Let's do this one. Ugh. One more bin to sort through. All right, I got everything sorted. I'm gonna start with my clothes. This laundry has been sitting here for, I don't know, a week, maybe more. If you guys have any hacks or tips or like mind tricks to get yourself to fold your laundry, please leave it in the comments, because I can't keep letting it get like this. There's just been so much going on, and folding the laundry was the last thing I wanted to do. Ugh. Today I have my consultation for the iron infusion, and if you guys have been following my channel and you saw my one of my chatty videos, I found out that I had super low iron, and that it was so low that I need to have an iron infusion. Today I am going to have a consultation with the, what's it called, hematologist, to, I guess, you know, check my blood or talk to me about the infusion or schedule it, hopefully. In the meantime, I've been taking iron supplements, but I'm only taking like the smallest dose, and you know, that can take a long time to build up my iron levels to where they need to be. I'm really looking forward to it because I really want to get this over with. I am tired of thinking about my iron levels and taking pills every day. It's hard for me. It's hard for me. So I'd rather shoot it all in me at once and let me forget about it. I hope you guys have been enjoying my Vlogmas videos. I'm doing way better than I did last year. When I reached day 5, I was proud of myself because I did 5 videos in a row. You guys, I'm such a slow editor. My sister, hey, Monet's Curvy Closet and the Greenwich family, I told her how long it takes me to edit, and she'd be like,
I got 2-3 videos already locked and loaded, ready to upload.
I'm just like, I'm still editing Thanksgiving. So this has been really pushing me to really focus my content for that day. I'm a little tired, so I don't know how people do daily vlogging, because especially with the way I edit, I try to make things interesting. And my mom said something before, and she was just like,
maybe you're just trying to make it too perfect.
and I was just like, maybe, but that's just the way my brain works. I am a creative person by nature. I love drawing, painting, decorating, doing crafts. You know, I love anything that's kind of art oriented, and I feel like my videos is a kind of art. I'm not the best at it, but there are things that when I watch videos, that I like to see, and you know, I kind of infuse that into my own videos. I can't just turn you guys on and just talk to you and put it straight like that. I make so many mistakes, and sometimes there's something to be said for showing mistakes, and I'm trying to show you guys a little bit more of my personality and show you that, I mean, I don't claim to be perfect by any means, but when I edit, you know, I want to have transitions lighting, music. I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas videos. I am putting a lot of effort into making sure I am consistently uploading. I'm really trying my best, and if you guys like these vlogs from Vlogmas, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I think quite a large percentage of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and for a small YouTuber like me who is trying to reach, you know, the 1,000 subscriber and the immense watch hours, it really does help if you guys subscribe. If you like any of my content, it's free. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be helping me out. You'll be helping my channel grow, and that's one of my goals for the end of this year and going into next year, is to finally reach this milestone. I've started to realize that social media, other social media platforms, is really important to growing my channel and getting people, getting my content out there. So if you aren't following me on Instagram or Facebook, are the main two places where you can follow me. Make sure you head over there. I try to post pictures and shorts and reels over there that aren't always in my videos. So it's some fun, interesting stuff over there. It can be really difficult to keep motivated, to have new ideas, especially with my kind of content, since I'm a stay-at-home mom life, day in the life, cleaning, cooking, baking kind of channel. You know, it's kind of repetitive. Like, it's the same stuff all the time, because that's life, except for when I'm decorating. That's fun when it's different seasons, so I really look forward to that. If you haven't seen my decorating videos, check those out. Maybe I don't know if I have. Oh, you know what? I do. I have a Decorate With Me playlist. So if you like my style and you like the way I decorate, if you want to know what this is called, check out my Decorate With Me videos. Check out my Decorate With Me playlist. Other than that, it's regular degular. It's like there is nothing exciting going on over here. For real though, like, so sometimes I find it difficult to make my content enticing. I live an ordinary life. But if you like my content, I love it. So leave it in the comments what you guys want to see. If you have any suggestions, I am always open to that. And just make sure you subscribe to the channel. My husband is in our bedroom working. He has a meeting right now, so if you guys hear man talking in the background, it's him. But I'm almost done folding my clothes. Yay! So I finally got all the Christmas decorating done. It looks so cute in our house. The girls' room is pretty in pastel. The living room it feels so like stylish and warm and welcoming. It's very kind of organic and natural and neutral, and I really do like that style. I love the twinkling lights at night. Oh, I love how it sparkles, and it's warm but like comforting. If you haven't seen my Christmas Decorate With Me videos and seen all of our Christmas decorating, you should check it out. I am looking forward to having Christmas Christmas gathering at my house. So my family in Dallas is gonna come up here to spend Christmas with us at our house, and it's our first time having everybody at our house. Like, normally we would, if we did travel back home to Chicago, where we all are from, where my family was from, me and my family, we would get on a plane and visit them, but they have all never been to my house. I got a lot to do in the next 2 weeks. I've got to finish cleaning the entire house. I have not finished my Christmas shopping. I really don't like shopping during this time of year just because it's so crowded, and even though it's supposed to be a time where people are kind and good to each other, people, I'm not gonna say, but I'm just saying, you know, we all know what I'm talking about. I say all that to say I have not finished my Christmas shopping. Wah wah. Kind of disappointed in myself because I pride myself on being organized and on top of things, but sometimes I get unorganized and not on top of anything. One more week of school and then it's they're off for holiday break. I love being around, I love my kids. But they'll be off they'll be off in a week, and so I gotta plan lots of activities and stuff. So it's really important that I get my chores done, get the house clean, one thing at a time. I am not gonna fold my underwear in front of you guys. So my next upcoming videos will probably be me cleaning, Christmas shopping, decorating, maybe some baking, party planning, you know, house getting ready for Christmas celebration type videos. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. Echo, what's the time?
The time is 12:25 p.m.
Okay, so I'm probably not gonna get to the lens right now because I still have to go and do my hair and get ready to go for my appointment. But I really do feel relieved that all my clothes are folded and ready to be put away. I think there's some truth to the whole like fold your clothes. If you're in a big family, fold the clothes according to person, because now I feel like, okay, I'm done. So that's a good trick. You guys should try that. Try it and let me know. Leave in the comments if it works for you. All right, guys, so I finished doing my hair. I got a ton of mousse in it and it hasn't dried yet. But anyway, I gotta get ready to go for my appointment. Thanks for chatting with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Talk to me nice.